The Ulefone 16 Pro is the world's loudest phone, and that is because of the speaker that is equipped with that produces a loudness of up to 122 decibels. To give you an example of how loud this phone is, nightclubs. For those of you that attend nightclubs, you know how loud nightclubs are. Well, the average loudness of nightclubs is about 100 decibels. Now, the loudness of the speaker on the Ulefone 16 Pro is about 122 decibels. So I think with this example, you could be able to imagine how loud this phone is. Another amazing feature of the Ulefone 16 Pro is the built-in glare flashlight. Every other features specs of the Ulefone 16 Pro are typical. Now, speaking of specs and features, let's first talk about its design. So the phone is built like other budget rugged devices. It has metal frame, corners covered with industrial rubber. On the right side is a power button and volume keys. On the other side there is a key called one key flashlight. At the rear is the super loud speaker. It has a round shape, and on the sides of the super loud speaker lies the smartphone's cameras and flash. So I was able to gather some of the key specs of the Ulefone 16 Pro. According to the specs, the Ulefone 16 Pro flaunts a 5.93-inch HD Plus display with an IPS LCD panel. The refresh rate is 60 Hz. It is a compact phone, but do not let its compact size deceive you, because it's actually quite heavy. It weighs about 405 grams and it is 18.3mm thick. It is powered by the Helio G25 chip. It also utilizes 4GB RAM and there's 64GB onboard storage. It ships with the latest Android 12 OS. The phone has dual cameras at the rear, the 16MP primary camera and a 2MP additional camera. The front camera is an 8MP camera. It is backed up by a 9600mAh battery, a very big battery. I think that's one of the reasons why the device is heavy. The battery also contributes to the device's weight, and it also supports 18 watts fast charging. The power button on the right side is embedded with a fingerprint scanner. Other features of the device includes OTG, FM radio, it supports face unlock, and it also supports NFC. And just like many other rugged devices, it is rated IP68 and IP69K. Currently, the device is not available. You cannot buy this phone anywhere, and I do not know when Ulefone will be officially launching the phone. But of course, if I could get any news from Ulefone about the launch date of this device, I'll update you guys. What are your thoughts about the Ulefone 16 Pro? Be sure to share in the comment section below. Thanks for watching, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace out.